Hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to this most relevant and much needed live interaction of new possibilities for businesses and exporters post COVID-19 situation. I am Anil Goyal, a chartered accountant and managing director of Capsavi Consultants Private Limited. My company, Capsavi Consultant, is a modern business and financial provides various bouquet of services such as private equity, debt syndication, virtual CFO services, CXO dashboard, data analytics, and taxation. Through our unique approach of collaborative style of work execution, we have associated with many prominent personalities who provide and who guide us through their vast experience in their respective field so that we can provide best of the services to our clients. At Capsavi, we believe in learn, grow, and succeed. Towards this approach, Capsavi Academy has brought to you a series of live webinars, interactions, and eminent personalities to learn and to enhance our knowledge base, which can contribute to our growth and successes. So before we proceed, few announcement for today's session. We have our own YouTube channel, so wherever you can find many such academic value enhancer videos. So I request each participant to click on subscribe button for our channel subscription to be able to get intimation about our new videos and easy access to all the future videos also. One more thing, chat function is available. So while sending your registration, you have already shared few questions based on which today we will be driving our entire discussion. However, those who wish to send their questions now, there is a chat function available in the YouTube channel where you can add your question now, and we will try to cover that question if time permits. All the registered participants will get their e-certificate for today's participation in live interaction. And in case you have not yet registered so far, please do complete and register yourself so that you will get your e-certificate on your email ID. So finally, here comes our today's session. Today we are going to discuss topic related to new possibilities for businesses and exporters post COVID-19 situation. We have selected this topic based on various suggestions from our business associates, reports, and our own analysis relating to impact of COVID-19 on exports, which has affected almost all countries across the globe. But before we start our formal discussion, let us briefly understand why exports are important for our discussion and at such a large scale. Export sector contributes about 20% of India's GDP from services and manufacturing output. And MSME sector contribute around 50% of India's total export. And therefore, it is very important and very likely that India might suffer very badly as the biggest impact will be on MSMEs. However, at the same time, this can create tremendous opportunity for all of us, for especially MSMEs and Indian businessmen. The economy has the potential to replace dominant Chinese export at the global scale.